Hello friends, today we are going to start a new topic, new chapter of the 11th NCERT, that is breathing and exchange of the gases. And this chapter is divided into 50 small topics, about 50 small topics, and deliberately I have made all the topics very easy and very small. So let's start with our first topic. Okay, so this is our first topic, breathing and respiration. What is the meaning of the breathing or respiration? See, O2 is present in the atmosphere. Suppose this is you, this is your atmosphere, and O2 is present in the atmosphere, and CO2 is produced by the cell or the tissue. In the catabolism, CO2 is produced. So we have to release this CO2 outside and take O2 inside. Exchange of them is called breathing or respiration. Simple. This is about first topic. Our second topic is simple diffusion over body surface. See, we are going to see the respiration, different types of the respiration, and this form is simple diffusion over body surface. Okay, you can see O2 and CO2 are exchanged. This is respiration, O2 and CO2. They are exchanged by the simple diffusion over the body surface. Their body surface is involved in the respiration, and you just remember this happens in the lower invertebrates like sponges, coelenterate and flatworms. About sponges, coelenterate and flatworms you are going to read in some other chapter, but for now just remember that in lower invertebrates simple diffusion happens over body surface for the respiration. Okay, this is about our third topic, use of moist cuticle. Cuticle is also like skin. Use of moist cuticle for respiration, and the example of it is called, it is earthworm. You just remember, as earthworm lives in the soil, it has moist cuticle and it is used in the respiration. This is the next topic. It is actually fourth topic. Here it is third written. This is fourth topic, use of network of the tubes or tracheal tubes. This is present in insect. You just remember by the cockroach. See, this tracheae, these are the tracheal tubes present in the cockroach. You just remember cockroach. In cockroach, tracheal tubes are present and through which they do respiration. Use of network of tubes and tracheal tubes is present in the insect. Then our next topic is use of gills. Gills, what is gill? First of all, we will see what is gills. Gill is a special vascularized structure for exchange of the gases. See, vascularized means it is vessels are present, blood vessels. For the why blood vessels are present? For the exchange of the gases. And gills are the special structure which are present in some aquatic arthropods and mollusks. You just remember aquatic arthropod and mollusks such as snail, where the gills are present, and gills are the some special structure which are useful in the respiration. So use of gills, mollusk and aquatic arthropods. This is important. Next topic, use of lungs. See, we have lungs and we are terrestrial animal. So use of lungs in the respiration is present in terrestrial animals like us. Okay, and what is lung? That we are going to see what is lung in the more detail in the next some of the topics. Okay, and what is lung? Vascularized by bag-like structure. Vascularized means blood vessels are present and it is bag-like. Okay. So this is our next topic, human respiratory system. See, it starts with the nostril. Nostril means nose, which is outside. It start with the nostril. Then nasal chamber is there, and then there is pharynx. See, in digestion we have seen pharynx is the common passage for food and air. I told you how to remember also. It is common passage for food and air. So you can remember as pha. Pha is what? Pharynx. Just to remember, I am telling pharynx is the common passage for the food and the air. And then larynx start. Pharynx, and then there is larynx, and then there is trachea. You can see larynx. Okay, it is starting from the pharynx. See, your nasal cavity is like this. Then there is pharynx, and your mouth cavity is like, and then mouth cavity opens in the pharynx. Pharynx. This is the pharynx, and pharynx is the common passage for both food and the air. And the esophagus start from the pharynx. This is esophagus which start from the pharynx. And also larynx. Larynx also opens into pharynx. This is larynx. Okay, after larynx there is a trachea. We are going to see this is trachea. You see this is the trachea. From the larynx the trachea start. See this is the passage for the digestive system. Esophagus starts from the pharynx, and also larynx start from the pharynx. After larynx there is a trachea. And see, at this level this is the trachea, and this trachea is divided into right and left bronchi. Okay, this is bronchi, this is one of the bronchi, and this is another bronchus. Singular is called bronchus and the plural is called bronchi. Then bronchi are divided into smaller bronchioles. Bronchioles are like also like bronchi only, but the divided bronchi is called bronchioles, and the terminal part is what? Alveoli. See this small bag like structure, terminal part is called alveoli. We will see once again. Nostril is the external, then there is nasal chamber which is attached to the nostril, then pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for food as well as air. Okay, then there is larynx. You see, one is digestive tract and one is respiratory tract. Larynx opens into pharynx, and larynx is now and then continued with the trachea. And trachea is divided into bronchi, right and left bronchi. The bronchi then further divided into bronchioles, and ultimately hmm, they form alveoli at the terminal part, which are sac-like structure, which we are going to see afterwards. Then our next topic is what is sound box. Remember, you have to remember larynx is called sound box because it helps in the production of the sound. You remember pharynx is the common passage for food and air, and larynx is the sound box. These are the two things you have to remember. Larynx is the sound box and pharynx is the common passage for food and air. Okay, then our next topic is what is glottis. Openings of larynx into pharynx is called glottis. See, we have seen in respiratory system, larynx starts after pharynx. Okay, so this structure is called larynx. Larynx is opening into pharynx. This is the pharynx, and the esophagus. This is esophagus and this is respiratory. It is common passage. Pharynx is the common passage for the food and air, and esophagus is starting from the pharynx, and here respiratory tract is starting from the pharynx, means it is starting by larynx. So opening of larynx is called as glottis. See, this is the glottis. Opening of the larynx into pharynx is called glottis. Then there is another system, another thing, epiglottis, which is our next topic. Epiglottis. See, larynx open into pharynx at the glottis. Glottis is the opening of larynx into pharynx. So, pharynx is the common passage of food and air. So, food must not pass into the respiratory tract. So, in order to prevent the entry of the food from pharynx to trachea, there is epiglottis. A thin elastic cartilaginous flap is epiglottis. You can see here. Here is the epiglottis somewhere. This is the epiglottis. See, this is the flap-like structure. Flap. Okay, cartilaginous flap-like structure which prevents the entry of the food from pharynx to the larynx. Okay, then our next topic is what is trachea. See, trachea we have seen after larynx there is trachea. This is the image that we have seen already. Trachea is the straight tubes extending up to mid-thoracic cavity. See, chest cavity, entire chest cavity is called thoracic cavity. It extends up to mid-thoracic cavity. This is the middle portion of the thoracic cavity, and trachea is extending up to mid-thoracic cavity. Okay, and it divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. Definitely it is thoracic cavity, and thoracic vertebrae are present in the thoracic cavity at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. Okay, at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra, it is divided into right and left primary bronchi. We have seen bronchi which are two. One is left and one is right. The trachea divides at the level of fifth tracheal vertebra, and it extends up to mid thoracic cavity. Okay, then we have seen bronchi are originating from the trachea, and then repeated division of the bronchi form terminal bronchioles. Bronchioles are like bronchi only, but bronchioles form after repeated division of the bronchi. You can see here bronchiole. Okay, see, these are all bronchioles. This is bronchi and these are the bronchioles. Bronchi divides into multiple bronchioles. Then our last topic is alveoli. See, this is the terminal part. We have seen that each terminal bronchiole give rise to number of very thin, irregularly walled, vascularized bag-like structure called alveoli. See, exchange of gases takes place at the alveoli, and that's why it is vascularized in nature. Blood vessels are present, and these are the terminal bronchi. These are very thin. As exchange of the gas happens at the alveoli, this has to be thin. Okay, and then there is this is irregularly walled and vascular structure, which is the terminal part of our respiratory tract. Then what is lung? Lung is nothing but the branching network of bronchi. See, bronchi is originating from here. Bronchiole, it is formed into bronchioles. Okay, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. All this branching network is called lung. Simple. Branching network of bronchi, then bronchiole and alveoli comprises the lung. Okay, then there is a last topic, pleura and pleural fluid. Lung is covered by double layer pleura. Pleura is nothing but the covering of the lung. You can see here pleural fluid. Okay, this is the pleura. Somewhere it is written. No, pleural membrane. Yes, this is the pleural membrane. This is called pleura, which is double layered. One is inside and this is outside, and this is inside. Okay, these are the pleura. You can remember it after you get to know about the different parts of the lung. You will remember very easily. Pleura. A pleural fluid is present in two layers of the pleura. Here it is written pleural fluid. Okay, this is the pleural fluid which is present into two membranes of the pleura. Okay, this is about today's video. So this chapter will be covered in about 5 videos. This was first video of the among the 5 videos. Okay, thank you. Please do like, comment and share. Thank you.